You're like me and you want to lose weight so that you're not always going to be shaped like a walrus, or you're battling your own health conditions, my goal is to inspire you to get out and grow your own food. So with that being said, I'm Nate and welcome to my urban garden. That's good. That's really good. I love them when they're small. You can hear that crunch. All right, y'all. So these are my 4 okra plants. I'm gonna plant some more. These I probably let go way too far because they're pretty big, and the bigger they get, the more fibrous they are. So they're not as good when they get big. So if you're making fried okra, you want to harvest them pretty small. And if you're making like soup, the big okra is perfectly fine because the soup will boil it down. But let's get to harvesting these 4 okra plants. We'll start with this guy. So the thing about harvesting okra, you want to get as close to the stem as possible. Same with cucumber. There's our first okra. Let's get you as well. 1, 2. So the first one had 3. This one has 4 on it. And now I get to show you what I mean by smaller okra. This is probably the size you want. About the size of a little bit bigger than a pinky finger. This is about the size you want for fried okra. Okra is so much easier to harvest than those cucumbers growing in between the trellis. As y'all can see, this okra tree, even though okra is okay in heat, I'm in Texas and we already in the 90s. So they struggling a little bit. Last one. And this one only had 2. This is actually the one that I had ants all over. So, don't know if that has anything to do with it, but who knows? Let's get the okra to the table. Decent 2 hands full of okra. We got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 okra. 2 small. The other 11 large. So, let's see. You know what's funny? I love okra. And because I'm pretty natural with the way I garden, I don't use any pesticides, herbicides, anything like that. That's good. That's really good. I love them when they're small. You can hear that crunch. I would eat that other one, but I got work to do. Let's check out these bell peppers, and then I got a surprise for y'all. There's one thing that is ready to harvest, and it caught me off guard. I didn't even know it was ready. Y'all, I estimate my bell pepper harvest, yeah, filming, right? I estimate probably at least 13 peppers that are ready to harvest, because this bell pepper bed is going absolutely crazy. This one hadn't even started producing fruit yet. There are flowers. Oh, wait, I see a little fruit. I'll show it to you. But this bed has done crazy this year. So I'm not going to keep talking. I know the video is probably long, so I'm going to just get straight into the harvest, all right? Let's get it. Got to put on my other glove. I've had my eye on this group of peppers since they started. Same thing, cut as close to the stem as possible, or you can just twist it. Twist it. Yep. They are going crazy. Then there are so many medium ones that I'll just let grow more. That one just broke right off. It was definitely ready. Hey, I couldn't think of a better moment than now than to just say thanks for watching. For all of you that are, taking time out to watch my videos, I do appreciate you. There's a lot of work that goes into these videos. Just on this day alone, I was out there for over 3 hours just recording this video. So seriously, leave a like on the video. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Almost lost it. I dropped one. It is. Oh, that's over 20 peppers. It's crazy. Whew. Let me take a knee. Now, for those of you that stayed to the end of this video, here's a treat for you. My wife is going to be excited about the cucumbers, but nowhere near as excited as she's going to be about this. Check out that sugar baby watermelon. Ooh-wee. Now, the thing about watermelon, you know it's ready when the tendril turns brown. I didn't know it was ready. I was just walking by and I'm like, wait a second, that's brown. So I'm gonna cut that right there. Oh yeah, look at the spot. Sound like a basketball. Sugar baby watermelons are small, but they're really sweet and they're good. I can't wait to split this with my wife. All right, well, that's gonna do it for today's harvest. I mean, look at all that green. I really do mean it when I say my goal is to inspire you all to grow your own food. Yeah, my wife's gonna be happy today. If you found this video entertaining, useful, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, perfect time to do it is now. Thanks for watching, especially if you stayed all the way through. I really appreciate you all. This here helps me mentally. I struggle with some depression and anxiety, and I swear my garden helps me a little bit. So I hope you all get out there and get growing, and take care of yourselves, take care of those around you, take care of your garden, and it'll take care of you. Until the next video, peace.